Okay, something happened in the camera cut out. So, what you missed, I have a Disney Doorables, Disney Tim Burton's The Nightmare Before Christmas Advent Calendar. There's 24 characters inside. These are the ones that are available, but you don't know which one you're going to get which day. And I already opened down the bottom. And it's got this cute little display with little flip-ups in it for you to set the characters on. And all we've opened is door number 1. We're going to open up to door number 12, so we're caught up to date. And this is what we got out of door number 1. It's the best one. Little Zero. Isn't he cute? Love it. We'll set him down here. Here we go. All right, door number 2. Let's see what we get. Oh, it's Jack Snowman. How cute. He's cute. All right, door number 3. Who's it gonna be? Yeah, I think it's Sally. Yup, it's Sally. She's cute. Sally. You don't want to stand? Sally don't want to stand. There she goes. Okay. Door number 4. Oh, it's the mayor. It's the mayor. He's fun. Alright, door number 5. Ooh, I think that's a glow-in-the-dark Jack. I don't have a flashlight to check it, so I have to wait. I have to wait and see. I think so. I think he's glow-in-the-dark. Cool. Door number 6. Halfway to number 12. It's the snake. Door number 7. I don't remember his name. Goofy Clown. But he's like silver. Huh. Alright, next row, door number 8. Door number 9. Door number 10. Door number 11. Should just done that in the first place. And oops, door number 12. There we go. All right, let's see what 8's got. Oh, cool. These are colored different. Look. Cool. What is it? Lock, shock, and barrel. Number 9. I wonder if this would be the other two. No. It's Oogie Boogie. Sweet. He's a fun one. I'm knocking him all over. He does stand. Alright, number 10. Oh, it's another clear one. It's one of the 3. Which one's lock, which one's shock, and which one's barrel? Put it in the comments for me. Number 1, and then this is number 2, and then the next one will be number 3. Which one's lock, shock, and barrel? Oh, werewolf. Oh, the third one. They're all clear, all 3 of those ones. Neat. And that's all. That was the last one for now. I'm so tempted to just open the rest. Do we do it? Do I dare? Let's do it. Let's do it. Now I want to know if there's any other clear ones. Those are pretty cool looking, I think. Oh, it's Jack in his nightcap and nightgown. Clever. Reading a book. There he stands. That was 13. Here comes 14. Oh, it's the wreath. I like that one too. And 15. Yep, yesterday was my son's birthday. And today's my granddaughter's birthday. Dr. Franken, whatever. It's not Frankenstein. What is it? Frankenstein? I don't remember. Number 16. Good one. It's Jack in a Santa suit. I don't know if the camera's picking this up, but he is iridescent. None of them have been. Look at that. I hope it picks up that shine. Wow. That's a pretty one. That'd make a nice Christmas keychain or pen, wouldn't it? Cheeky mama, you should have got some of these. Oh, it's another clear one. I don't know why I think those are so cool looking. Just because it's different, I guess. Alright, where are we? That was 17. We're on 18. I don't see my... There it is. Another Sally. This one she's sitting with the kitty cat. That's cute. Cute, cute, cute. 19. Yeah, I'm not the kind of person made for advent calendars. I don't. Maybe if I would have started it on time, I would have done it one day at a time. I think that's the vampire teddy. Number 20. Is that Hatchet Head? No. Oh, that's the Igor dude. Cute. Alright, we're almost done. 21, 22, 23, and 24. I wonder why they don't give you a special one for like Christmas Day with advent calendars. That's what I would do if I made an advent calendar. There'd be an extra special one for day 25. Hatchet Head, and he's clear. Those are cool. Alright, day 22. 2 more to go after this. Oh, Scary Jack. That's hilarious. Alright, day 23. One more after this. Why do they go so fast? 24 is not enough. Oh, cute. You see? You didn't see. Look. It's Santa. He's in a cauldron in Halloween down. That's hilarious. Alright, day 24. Don't know that we haven't gotten everybody. Oh, there we go. It's Jack with holding this pumpkin. That was all of them. Cute. So we got 0 in his little graveyard dog house. And Jack is a snowman. We got Jack as the iridescent Santa. We got regular Jack holding the pumpkin. We got Jack in his nightwear reading a book, sitting Indian style. Crisscross applesauce. Jack being scary. Frankensteel or Stein or whatever he is, doctor. And the clown. And Lock, Shock, and Barrel. Do we know which ones are which yet? Does it tell us? Okay. This is Lock. Where is she? There we go. That's Hatchet Head. There's Lock, Shock, and Barrel. Cute. And then I showed you Hatchet Head. And this is the Harlequin Demon, and he's a see-through. And then there is the Man-Eating Wreath. Oh, Dr. Finkelstein. I knew it was something different. That's who he is, Dr. Finkelstein. And then there's the Wolf Man. And the Striped Snake. And Sally. And, yep, Vampire Teddy. Another Sally. Igor. Santa Claus. Oogie Boogie. Look at the maggots in his mouth. Hilarious. Nice Oogie Boogie. And then the mayor. And they got him two-faced. Head don't spin or anything, but they got him designed on both sides. And the last one, the Pumpkin King. I don't know. He might be iridescent. I think he is. Or glow in the dark. But, yep. That's all 24 of them. I hope you enjoyed. Sorry I didn't get it out earlier. Fun. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.